Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize with Notion to sync tasks with Google Sheets. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To sync tasks from Notion to Google Sheets, start by opening your web browser. Navigate to the Notion website and log into your account. Once logged in, choose the workspace that contains the tasks you want to sync. Next, locate the database or page with your tasks in Notion. Click on the three dots in the top right corner of the database to open the menu. Select Share from the drop-down options. In the sharing settings, toggle on Share to Web. Turn on Allow Duplicate Content. This will generate a shareable link for your Notion database. Copy this link to your clipboard. Now, open Google Sheets in a new tab. Create a new spreadsheet or open an existing one where you want the tasks to appear. In the spreadsheet, click on a cell where you want to import the tasks. Use the formula equals import data, followed by the link to your Notion database in quotation marks. Close the parentheses and hit Enter. Google Sheets will now attempt to import data from the URL provided. It may take a few moments to sync all tasks. If successful, your tasks from Notion will appear in Google Sheets. To refresh the data later, simply click the Refresh button at the top of Google Sheets. You have now successfully authorized and synced your tasks between Notion and Google Sheets. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.